Okay, now we are going to deal with the round in which negative decimal place is given. Just see here what is there. -1 is here, right? -1 means what? This decimal precision is what? It is in negative. So say if negative is here, so what we'll do? This is decimal point. This part is the right part. This is right part, and this one is left part. So if negative value is given, if negative precision is given, so what we'll do? We are going to deal with this left part. So this is the left part. Okay. So if we want to find its answer, so let us see how we'll work. So see what is given. 56.235 comma -1. -1 means right and told, if minus or negative sign is given, so we are going to deal with the left part. Okay, so see here it is mentioned as 1. So 1 means what? Will come to this one, that is what? That is the number 6. We are going to find first of all this. We are going to see the number 6. Why? Because here 1 is given. Okay, 1 means what? We are going to deal with the units digit, and if suppose that it's 2, that means we are going to deal with this tens digit, and if 3 is there, that means 100 digit, and so on. So right now here we have -1, so we are going to deal with this unit digit. It is 6. It is 6. So in case of round, when we are going to deal with negative precision, what we'll do, exactly this digit, we will turn this digit to 0. That means this 6 will become 0. This 6 will become 0. Now round is here, and we know it very well that in case of round, if number is 5 or more than 5, then the number following it is incremented by 1. So here 6 we turn it to 0 because we are dealing with a number with negative precision. Okay, now round is here, right? And this number we have to write down what the number should be next to this 0, right? So see, since 6 is here, and 6 is what? 6 is more than 5. 6 is more than 5. So we know it very well, because of this 6, this 5 is incremented by 1. So answer comes out to be 60. Answer comes out to be 16. Clear? Let's have a look on to next example. That is round of, suppose 346.712 comma, suppose -2. 346.712 comma -2, or just to take an example, 336.712 comma -2. Now see what is given. Here we have the number as -2. So right now I told you all that if negative number is given, if negative precision is given, so what we'll do, we'll count from here. That means left to this decimal point. And since 2 is even, that means we are going to deal with this one, that is the number present at tens place. So what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to make this as 0. So what I did, I have turned this to 0. Obviously this even will be 0. Now I have to find this one. This is what? 3, and here even it is 3. So because of this 3 is not incremented by 1, because here we need the number as 5 or more than 5. And since 5 or more than 5 is not here, so 3 will be as it is. So answer comes out to be 300. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. Next is truncate. Next function is truncate. Now let us see what is truncate. So truncate simply means to chop the value. Chop means to cut. Directly just remember, if truncate is given, so truncate means to chop the value or to cut the values. So just have a look onto this. What is given? Example is select truncate 7.543 comma 1. That means after point we just need one value. So here we are not supposed to check for the number if it is more than 5 or exactly 5. Okay, and no increment is to be done, because if truncate is there, directly truncate means to cut the value. So 7.5 will be your output. Likewise, if no decimal point is given, sorry, no decimal precision is given, so directly your number will be in integer term. Likewise, just have a look onto this example. Again, that is truncate of negative decimal places. So it functions exactly like round, but in case of round, what we did, we simply rounded off the number, which will not happen in case of truncate. So just to see, 346 comma -2. -2 means what will come with this 4. So this 4 turned to 0, like a 6 turned to 0, and since 3 is here, and after 3, even we are not supposed to check if number is 5 or more than 5. Directly what we did, we have written 3 exactly as it is. So answer comes out to be 300. Even if it was 356 comma minus 2, your answer comes out to be 300 only. Okay, because here we are talking about truncate. Okay, so just make the difference very clear. Case of truncate, we simply chop the value, and round, simply we round off the number. Means we check if number is 5, more than 5, then the number following it is incremented by 1. Okay, so next function, I think we even know what we are reading. We are reading functions, and functions are of two types, single row and multiple row functions. Out of that, right now we are dealing with single row function, and single row is classified into 3, that is numeric, string and date and time. So numeric is done here. In numeric there are 3 or 4 more functions. I am orally telling you all. First one is power function, second is round, third is truncate, next is sqrt function. So sqrt is what? It simply finds the square root of any number. Okay, next function is mod function, mod. Mod function means what? If we need to calculate modulus of a number, so mod is responsible for doing this. This is fifth function. Sixth function is sign function, sign, sign function. Sign means what? Suppose if I say select sign and number is 2. So here 2 is a positive number, so my answer will be +1. And if I say select sign of -2, so here the number is negative, so my answer will be -1. So these are functions, let's remember this. And last 3 function which I told is not given in this book, but I think last year I have given those functions details. I think that is written onto your copy. Do refer it. Okay, so next function, second category of function is string function or character functions. It directly means what? It deals with the character, or it simply works upon character or any string data. Okay, onto this, the very first one is length function. Now let us see what is this length function. Length simply means what? It calculates length of a particular string. That is counting. We can say it simply will count how many characters are present in a particular string. Just see example is select length of informatics. So when you count informatics, so its characters are 11. So that is its answer. Length will be 11. This is the very first function. Second function is concat. Concat means it simply concatenate or combine, or it simply adds the string. So just take an example. Select concat my, this is one string, s is one character, and ql is another string. So this three is written, these 3 different characters are given, these 3 different strings are given, and concat is given. So my output will be MySQL. Okay, and if null is here, suppose my null and then QL, so your answer will be null, which you can find in the next example. Okay, likewise next function is instr. So instr is what? See, in instr we need 2 arguments, that is str and substr. Str is what? String, and substr is what? Substring. So instr, it simply tells the first occurrence of particular substring in a string. That is, instr tells first occurrence of a particular substring in a string. Now see, what does it mean? Just see, example is select instr informatics comma for. This for is a substring. Now we have to check this for, is this substring present onto this string, which is main string, that is informatics? If yes, so what is the first occurrence? So see what is given, for. Now we have to check exactly the 3 characters here. See, it's for. For is here. Now from which position you are finding this? This is from third position. So answer will be third. And if suppose my string is far, but far is not present here, so answer will be 0, which we can check in the next example, computers comma pet. So this pet, exactly pet is not here, so your answer will be 0. Okay, next function is lower function, lower or L case. I think name of it is clear that if you want to convert a particular string into lower case, or we can say small letters, so we'll make use of this L case or lower function. Say if informatics is take an example, select lower and informatics. This informatics is given in capital letters. So if lower is given, so this will convert this informatics into small letters, or we say it as lowercase. Right. Likewise, we have upper or ucase function. So what this ucase will do is simply will convert a particular string into uppercase or capital letters. So see example, informatics is given. This informatics is turned into capital letters. This is all about upper or ucase function. Next is left function. Left is what? I think we all know. Name is clear. Left. So see here it takes two arguments, str and n. So see what is meaning of this. See, it returns the specified number of characters from the left side of the string str. That means whatever string is given and whatever number is given, so the number specified will be counted from the extreme left because left is given. Just take an example, that is select left informatics comma 3. Since 3 is given and here left is given, so this 3 means what? We need 3 characters from the left, that is INF. Likewise, we have right function, right function. So again it takes two arguments, that is str comma n, same functioning. So what right will do? Right will return the characters from the right side of the string. Suppose example we have, suppose example is select informatics, select right informatics comma 4. So what this will do, what the right will do, right will count the number characters from the right. So this TICS is the last 4 characters when we count it from the right, so this will be your output. Likewise, next is ltrim function. Ltrim, L means what? Leading, or we can say it means left side of the string. So ltrim is what? It simply removes leading spaces. That means the space that is at the left side of the string. Just take